Ready to discover the magic of apple cider vinegar? Whether you're aiming for better health or just curious about natural remedies, this might be the boost you need. Let's jump in. Weight management. Apple cider vinegar is often praised for helping with weight management. It can increase feelings of fullness, which might help you eat fewer calories throughout the day. Plus, it can regulate blood sugar, curbing those pesky cravings. A splash of apple cider vinegar in water before meals could be a small but powerful step toward your weight goals. Improves digestion. Struggling with digestion? Apple cider vinegar might help. Its acetic acid can boost stomach acid production, making food breakdown easier and reducing issues like bloating or heartburn. A diluted mix of vinegar and water before meals could be the trick to smoother digestion. Supports heart health. Apple cider vinegar might also be good for your heart. It's been linked to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, key factors in heart health. With its potassium content helping balance sodium levels, adding some apple cider vinegar to your diet could be a heart-smart choice. Boosts skin health. For natural skin care, apple cider vinegar is a go-to. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties can tackle acne, while its ability to balance pH levels might help reduce oiliness. Just be sure to dilute it before applying to avoid irritation. Enhances immune function. Looking to give your immune system a boost? Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that can help fend off harmful bacteria. It's also packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, which supports immune health and protects against oxidative stress. Regulates blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar could help. It's been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar after meals, making it a potential ally in keeping your levels stable. Just remember to check with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet. Natural detoxification. Finally, apple cider vinegar is often touted for its detox benefits. It supports liver function and helps flush out toxins, while its alkalizing effect can balance your body's pH. Adding it to your daily routine, like in salad dressings or water, might be an easy way to support your body's natural detox processes. And that's it. 7 amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. Remember, moderation is key, and it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for tuning in.